Aiden, when I'm running it goes in different positions. What do you press? What? Mine. Well, and that was a good skittering stunt from Aiden Thompson and filmer guy Matthew Thompson. Sorry about questions being asked, and sorry about that crybaby. We're on holiday. Okay? Goodbye.